Welcome back to our next episode of Bash Scripting. Today I want to talk about comment. Now comment has different use, but it has two major uses. Comment is used to actually make a code to be inactive without deleting that code. Making a code to be inactive without deleting that code. And so also comment is used also as a programmer's guide. It gives the guide to the programmers to make emphasis on the code that he or she is writing. Now let us take a look at this. Let's say we have a code from our previous video. Let's say we have a script here, bash script.1, right? Let's say we have bash script and so on. Now we have pwd, touch, we have echo, we have and so on and so forth. Let's say that we want to make this code to be inactive first. Let's say we want to make this code. We don't want the touch command to work. Now we use what? Hash. Sorry, we use hash. Let's say we don't want this one to work. We use what? Hash. Then let's say we don't want cat also to work. We use what? Hash. Now what this thing does that these three commands will not be able to run. Let's say this one will run this, and this. These three that have hash before it will not work. But what these three that are without hash is what. So hash is used to comment a code or a line of code. Hash is used to comment a line of code. That is what hash is used for. So let's reset this thing back, save, Ctrl and enter. Now let me clear the terminal. If I do this again, let's say I run this script again. I say slash this. I enter. Look at it. This is the only one that executes. The other ones did not execute. You just do pwd for file successfully created and list out the file for. So it did not actually create the file again. It does not execute some other command. Let us look at what I am saying. So let me partition the window. Now let this what we am saying that let me create another window. Let's say we have, let me cd document, desktop, cd bash scripting, nano. Now look at it you can see that this is a pwd. Now this touch command does not work again. It did not create a new file for it. Even this echo command does not work again. Look at the second line of code that was executed here. Echo file successfully created. Look at it. File successfully created. Then ls. It did not cut this one did not work again. So this is actually how you execute. This is actually how you make a line of code to be inactive without deleting it from the whole command. You make the line of code inactive without deleting it from the whole command. Now it can also be used. Comment can also be used to give a guide. For example, I want to say this is my first bash script. This code is used to create file and echo some content inside it, then read the content of the code using cat command. Now you can see that this is just a normal sentence. This is actually just a normal a normal sentence or a statement per se. Now this is just a statement. So this, you can see that we are able to write statement here using what? So we make all this line of code to be inactive so that it will not run. But this gives us a guide. Supposing we come to this program in our maybe next year or next time, with looking at this statement, we actually know what we are trying to achieve in this line. So that is what commenting actually means. Now this is a single line of comment. Now if you want to do a multiple line of comment, maybe I want to comment everything here, I'll type what? Comment. I'll type comment and then come here and type this. Now it will comment everything here, nothing will run here again. Let's see. You can see nothing will run here again. Command not what? Fine. So you can see that actually this is a multiple line of commenting. If you want to comment everything at a time, you can use the multiple line of comment to do that. So this, if you don't want to use a hash sign as your line of comment, you can use this one to actually comment. It's called multiple line of comment. You write comment, then you put this thing here. Then at the end of the place you want to comment, you put the line, put it too. So there is the multiple line of comment. So this is how to create comment. That is how to use comment in Bash programming or in Bash scripting. Thank you for joining me today. See you in our next episode. Please please go back to the previous video to understand where we are coming from. My name still remains Godday Ocheme. I am your cyber security educator and ethical hacker. See you next time. Thank you very much.